Technology and livelihood education. Family and consumer science. Food preparation. Lesson 2, Week 3, Part 3. Our topic is food cost. Review of the previous lesson. Directions: convert the quantity of ingredients in preparing crab meat and corn soup for 8 to accommodate 24 servings. Food cost. Food cost is the total amount of money spent on the ingredients used to prepare a recipe or food item. It includes all the raw ingredients needed to make the dish, such as meat, vegetables, fruits, seasonings, and other food items. In simple words, food cost tells us how much it costs to prepare a dish. For example, if you want to make a fruit salad, you need fruits such as apples, bananas, and grapes. The total amount of money spent to buy these ingredients is called the food cost. Importance of food cost. Food cost helps us, 1. Know how much money is needed to prepare a recipe, 2. Plan a budget for meals or food projects, 3. Avoid wasting ingredients and money, 4. Determine the selling price of food products. Food cost is calculated by adding the cost of all ingredients used in a recipe. Formula: food cost equals cost of ingredient 1, cost of ingredient 2, cost of ingredient 3, and so on. Here is an example on how to calculate the food cost. Just add all the cost of each ingredients and you will get the food cost. Remember, food cost is the total cost of all ingredients used in a recipe. Calculating food cost helps us plan our budget, avoid waste, and prepare food wisely. To calculate food cost, simply add the cost of all ingredients together. Simple formula: food cost equals total cost of all ingredients. When we know the food cost, we can prepare recipes more accurately and use our money wisely. Understanding the food cost percentage. When preparing or selling food, it is important to know how much of the selling price is spent on ingredients. This is called the food cost percentage. Food cost percentage helps us determine whether we are spending too much or earning enough from the food we sell. Total food cost percentage for cost per meal. The formula is total food cost percentage is equal to total cost of goods sold over total revenue times 100. What does it mean? Total cost of goods sold, COGS, equals the total cost of all ingredients used. Total revenue equals the total money earned from selling the food, times 100 equals changes the answer into a percentage, percent symbol. The food cost percentage shows how much of the sales income was used to pay for ingredients. Example number 1. A school canteen sold sandwiches. The total expenses or cost of ingredients is 600 pesos. The total sales is 1,500 pesos. Solution: 600 over 1,500 times 100 is equal to 40%. The food cost percentage is 40%. What does 40% mean? For every 100 Cuban pesos earned from selling sandwiches, 40 Cuban pesos was spent on ingredients. The remaining 60 Cuban pesos can help pay for other expenses or become profit. The food cost percentage per dish. Sometimes we want to know the food cost percentage of only one serving of a food item. The formula is food cost percentage per dish is equal to cost of dish per serving over selling price times 100. What does it mean? Cost of dish per serving equals cost of ingredients used in one serving. Selling price equals price paid by the customer, times 100 equals converts the answer into a percentage. This formula tells us what percentage of the selling price is used for ingredient. Here is an example of food cost percentage per dish. A burger costs 30 Cuban pesos to make and is sold for 75 Cuban pesos. Solution: 30 divided by 75 times 100 is equal to 40%. Answer: The burger has a 40% food cost percentage. Interpretation: for every 75 Cuban pesos burger sold, 30 Cuban pesos pays for ingredients, 45 Cuban pesos remains for other expenses and profit. Food cost percentage helps us control spending. We can check if we are spending too much on ingredients, set the right price, we can decide how much to charge customers, earn a profit. A reasonable food cost percentage helps a business earn money. Plan a budget, it helps restaurants, canteens, and families manage food expenses wisely.
A time to remember.
Directions. Compute the food cost percentage and the total profit for the following.
This is Dr. Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Maylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.